হেল্ল' মৰমৰ বন্ধুসকল, আজি আমি শিকিম এলফাবেটছ। A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for friend. G for girl. H for heart. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for light bulb. M for moon. N for neem. O for onion. P for pen. Q for question. R for rain. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Like, comments, share, subscribe.